What happens to the engagement ring when parties separate or divorce? It's a common question, and when there is a financial disclosure, there is actually a box in a financial statement which talks about certain assets, personal possessions, and everything and anything that's valuable over £500. So unsurprisingly, you will usually see an engagement ring in there. With cases that I deal with, yes, jewellery, including engagement rings, are disclosed, but what actually happens to them in reality? And conversely, the question might be, can I ask for the engagement ring back? I think the short answer, based on experience, is that notwithstanding it's disclosed, an engagement ring is a resource that is available, and it could be relevant in terms of a party's needs. Sometimes there is a situation whereby they will present a case in terms of their capital needs, and they may look to the other party. Now that could be such things as, I need a car to travel to work. I'm not saying that an engagement ring is directly available to that, but there could be an argument to say, well, why should you keep an item of jewellery worth X when that could be sold to meet your needs? Or on occasions, the weaker party who has the item of jewellery, and sometimes there can be a raft of diamonds, rings, watches, etc., but is looking to the other party to meet their costs. It's a separate subject, but funding legal cases is very important. And again, the other party might say, well, why should you be retaining your jewellery, which in some cases that I've seen, that jewellery could be tens or hundreds of thousands of pounds, for you to retain that jewellery intact when you expect me to pay X, Y, and Z to meet your needs or to meet your legal costs. So there needs to be a fair balance. But in summary, in the vast majority of cases, 9 times out of 10, it's really seen as a very personal item, an engagement ring or a wedding ring. And with that, again, what I see from experience is that if you have it and you own it, then you will retain it. The other party might ask for it back. Don't see that very often. It might happen behind the scenes, but literally possession is 9/10 of the law.